Hi guys, welcome back to Pham's Legend channel. Car dealership name is Pham Motorsport. Today I'm gonna show you one of the clean
Give me what I'm looking for.
So please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So let's get into it. Motor swap right now. So, on the 280Z. And different transmission and new clutch, everything gonna be installed. So hopefully we're running good. We're gonna swap all the components over to this motor. In line 280Z. New clutch here. Clutch here. Daddy. Made in Japan. Made in Japan. Nhóm bao giờ Bori. Yeah, we found out this motor. It need rebuild, so we'll take everything out and gonna rebuild it. So everything here. Look at that. Oh, a lot of part here. So gonna be pricey. And this thing will run like a biz. Today we're gonna assemble the motor for the 280Z. The crank we put in right now. ALP has got on the P crank bolt. ALP crank bolt. Yeah, everything here. And see the gap. Put on the piston. So we're gonna install it one by one. I put a ring on. We got a tool here now. Like that, huh? And we have to adjust the direction of the ring too before we put it in. And then we just using the piston tool. We have to position the rings before put it in. All the head, machine, everything, polished, piston. So just let you know, this piston don't have an intake or exhaust groove on it. It's just flat. Okay, 2 done. More to go. We're gonna tie it. Tie the rock up here. ALP. All the piston go in. Assemble back. Put everything flat underneath. Assembly the head. Using the tool. The head is on. So now to tie it down. Time to torque down. How many pounds?
60.
60 pounds. How many times?
1 time.
Chain will put on already. You know. Almost complete. Well, motor almost finished assembly. All pan, wire, plug, everything's here. So the motor is complete. All paint, valve cover red, wrinkle red. Look pretty nice right now. Woo, sexy. The line, baby. Nissan. Here you go. Intake on. The exhaust on, so ready to install on the car. Motor about to drop in, guys. Check everything here. Ready. Alright, the engines are in, so now we do the first start on it to see is the motor run good or not. Alright! Step a little bit. Very, very nice. We're gonna let the owner start up the car, huh? So muffler added on. Quiet, please. Running smoother now. You have to do some adjustment. Oh, I'm gonna put a wheel on. No. So we're ready to test drive it tomorrow. Test drive it. Ready to test the drive. Granny. So it'll be slippery. I'm not gonna go with them because I already tested this car before. So just let them drive and let me know how it drive, and that's it. Because the new motor in, you know. The test drive is done. So peace. See you in the next video. Thank you. Let me end this video right here.